2016 Mitsubishi Lancer ES, 8,500 miles, clean auto check. Comes with the balance of factory warranty. Give you a look. See, it does have the aggressive Mitsubishi front fascia with the chrome trim around the housing. It has the chrome trim on the lower valence. It does have your fog lights. It also has your LED lights around the bottom of the bumper. Wheels, you get alloy spoke style wheels with Yokohama rubber, around 3/4 tread on the tires. They are a 16-inch tire and wheel combination. Your mirrors have the signals built right into the mirror casings. If you look at the interior, it does have a nice two-tone mix in the interior. Has the tan seating, has black carpet, and it does have some dark trim on the doors and the dash, along with your chrome handles. Rear seats, you see our bench style seating. You get a decent amount of space back there for a smaller car. And rear tires and wheels, you can see the rubber's pretty much the same all the way around, right around 3/4 tread. It has the molded mud flaps. Bringing around the back of the car, you will see the badging on the back, the Mitsubishi Lancer, of course, and the Mitsubishi emblem. It does have the nice whited out third brake light. It does have the Euro style tail lights. And I'm going to pop the trunk here and give you a look inside the trunk. You will see the trunk is quite spacious inside. Got a lot of room to haul things. You have your nice heavy top mat there that has the Lancer embroidered right into it. Then under your second layer of mat there, you have your spare tire along with your jack and your tools. It does have a nice high-rise spoiler on the deck lid. Get your brushed aluminum fuel door on there from factory. And the center of those back seats does have a armrest that folds down, has cup holders inside of it too. It's a sharp looking little car. It's rally red is what Mitsubishi calls this color. Give you a look at the inside a little bit here. You have your power windows, locks, and mirrors on your driver's door. And down on the floor inside, you have your trunk and fuel door releases. Traction control button. And you can see the current mileage is 9,436 miles. On your steering wheel, you have your audio volume settings. You have your voice recognition, telephone, cruise control, wipers, and your signals are on the left side. And you have an info button for your display screen for your dash. And I'll go ahead and light this instrument panel up a little bit to give you a look. Over here you have your AM, FM, satellite, CD radio, and your airbag controls, heating and air conditioning. Under that cubby flips open. You have a 12-volt power source back inside there. Automatic gear shift selector. And you got cup holders there along with your emergency brake. And you have a center console that flips open, and you have another 12-volt power source inside there. Give you a little more look at the interior. And we're going to go ahead and hop out onto the hood, and I'll give you a look at the engine bay. as you can see, it's super clean underneath there. The engine in this car is a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder, dual overhead cam. Good for about 150 horsepower. Fuel economy on these things are pretty amazing also. And these newer 4-cylinders, if you haven't driven one, you'd be really surprised how much power that they have anymore. There's a nice quiet running engine. Like I said, less than 10,000 miles on it. So it's just barely broken in. Last thing we're going to do on this video is I'm going to walk around this Lancer one more time and point out any blemishes that the car has. And as with most used cars, there are a few small little chips on the front bumper. Have been all touched up. About a pea-sized mark on the door. Kind of hard to see. It's been touched up and sealed over also. There it is. This is a very sporty little 4-cylinder 4-door car. And for as new as it is, and the miles, the low miles on it, it's got a pretty great price on it. Price is just under $13,000. I think it's around $12,300. So you're actually getting a lot of car for your money with this Mitsubishi. If you're interested in coming out here and taking a look at it, maybe setting up a test drive, give us a call. Our number is 717-485-4224. Or look us up on our website, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.